Fourth problem, show that the points 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 5, 8, 7 are collinear. So, condition to prove these 3 points are collinear, we have to find out first DRs of the, suppose if I consider this point as A, this one as B, this one is C. So, we have to find the DRs of AB and DRs of BC. If these two DRs are in proportion, then we can say AB is parallel to BC, which is condition for the two line segments to be parallel. But here the point B is common, so we can say ABC are collinear. So, first step, find DRs of AB. Now, formula for finding the DRs of a line segment, if the 2 points on the line segment is given as x1 y1 and x2 y2, x1 y1 is z1 and x2 y2 is z2, then the DRs of a line is given as x2 minus x1, we can write in both the ways, y2 minus either x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So, using this formula, first DRs of AB. So, let us find first DRs of AB, x2 minus x1. So, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 3. Now, next DRs of BC, 5 minus of minus 1, 6, 8 minus of minus 2, 10, 7 minus 1, 6. Suppose these are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So, we will get A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is equal to C1 by C2, which is nothing but minus half. Am I right? Yes. So, their DRs are in proportion, which implies AB is parallel to BC actually, but B is a common point, which implies ABC, the points are collinear. That means they are lying on the same line. Question number 5. Find the direction cosines of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are, okay. So, let me consider the triangle ABC here. The vertices of triangle ABC are, A is given 3, 5, minus 4 and the B vertex is minus 1, 1, 2 and minus 5, minus 2 C vertex. So, we have to find the DCs of AB, BC, CA. Now, you have to recollect two formulae. When the points are given, the formula to find out the DRs. Just now previous problem we discussed, and the general notation for DRs are A, B, C and for DCs L, M, N. So, when the points are given, your points are x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Then the DRs are given by the formula A is x2 minus x1, B y2 minus y1 and C z2 minus z1. And these are DRs. When DRs are in the form of A, B, C, then DCs are given by the formula L is A by root over A square plus B square plus C square and M is B by root over A square plus B square plus C square and N is C by root over A square plus B square plus C square. So, for the given points, first we can find out x2 minus x1 how much it is, then we can substitute in this formula we can do, or directly sometimes the formula in the book is given as when the DRs are, when the points are given as x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3, then the DCs are given by the formula. Directly we can say, because A is x2 minus x1, we can write it directly as x2 minus x1 divided by root over A square is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Similarly, you can write for other things. Next one is M is nothing but y2 minus y1 by whole thing in the denominator, and last one N is z2 minus z1 by. Both the ways the answer what you are going to get is same only, but no need to think that this formula is so big, how can we remember. This is the way how we are getting this formula. Yeah. Shall we solve the question now? Yes. First ABC shall we find out, this is the best way. So first we find out x2 minus x1. So A value is nothing but I am going to consider now for the AB line. Question is find the direction cosines of the sides. So for the side AB, DCs of the side AB. Okay. So first we find x2 minus x1. x2, when I am considering the side AB, my A point is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2. So 3 minus of minus 1, 4, next 5 minus 1, 4, minus 4, minus 2, minus 6, right. So A, B, C I got, sorry, it is not only A. So A value, B value, C value, all the 3. This one, now DC is nothing but, these are DRs now. So DCs are nothing but, so this is just ABC I found. Now DCs of AB, A by 4 divided by root over A square plus B square plus C square. So 16 plus 16, 32 plus 6 square minus 6 whole square, 36. 32 plus 36, we will get root over 68. So 4 divided by root over 68, 4 divided by root over 68 minus 6 divided by root over 68 is nothing but DCs of the side AB. Root 68 can be simplified as 2 root 17, right. So on simplification, the DCs of the side AB is nothing but 2 by root over 17, comma, again this one is 2 by root over 17 and minus 6 and 2 gets cancelled for minus 3 by root over 17. Yes. Now next one, similarly we can find DCs of the side BC. So what can be first DRs ABC, for the side BC x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2. So minus 5 minus of minus 1, minus 5 plus 1 it is. So minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 minus 4. Now the DCs are nothing but minus 4 divided by root over 4 square 16, again 16, 6 square is same thing, root over 68 which is nothing but 2 root 17, this one also. So 2 root 17, comma, minus 6 by 2 root 17, comma, minus 4 by 2 root 17. So we can cancel for minus 2 by root 17, minus 3 by root 17 and minus 2 by root 17. So in the same way for the side AC, the DCs are nothing but the same procedure. We will do x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 to find out the DRs. Then using DC's formula, we get the DCs of the side AC as 4 by root over 42, 5 by root over 42 and minus 1 by root over 42. You can do it and check it.